Happy Sunday, folks. We have Mr. Trevor Morton with Cachet Real Estate Financing. That's CACHET, Cachet. It's our preferred lenders when it comes to USDA, VA, FHA, all the standard programs. Also, if you want to build on your own lot, they are the best interim financing company in San Antonio. If you want to get a construction loan, you go grab some money, go make the house look pretty. They do the 203K, and they do farm and ranch. They do everything under the sun, and they're really good at it. So I want to talk to you a little bit, Trevor. First of all, thanks for hanging out with us.
I love seeing you guys.
I know you do. I love seeing you too, brother. Let's talk about San Antonio in general. So San Antonio has the worst credit of all the major cities in the U.S. That's statistically correct.
And JJ's not helping it either.
Yeah, I'm with it. So, and it's just a thing. It's San Antonio. We sometimes we forget to pay our bills on time, and it hurts us. So, a lot of these first-time homebuyers, second-time homebuyers, they've been told no. What happens at that point?
I think it's just a lack of knowledge. Just to kind of preface this, guys, it really is a lack of knowledge on some people's parts, not just in credit scores, but in what they have to do, keeping paperwork wise and filing their income, and there's just a lot of misinformation out there. And there's a lot of lenders out there that come in and say, "No, thank you, have a nice day."
And that's it. They don't say anything else.
That's it.
Right.
We tend to take a different stance on that. Is we're here as a team to help you get a home. That's y'all's goal every day in life. That's my goal every day in life.
Sure.
And in order to do that, you have to educate. So we do pro bono counseling. If you come in and you've got credit scores that are, in the 500s, you may make great money, but you just don't know how to navigate that.
You may have just finished a lengthy marriage and gotten a divorce, and that'll set you back a little bit.
That's definitely, we see that quite a bit. Specifically, as an example, we actually did a closing this week for a young couple that came to us. They had very low 500 credit scores, the both of them, and it turns out it was a little collection here, a little something there. We were able to get them on the right track. They were incredibly engaged. They were really excited to be homeowners.
Sure.
And they had gotten no from 3 other people, and it just really blows my mind that they're out there, that they just say no, and they don't say, this is what you have to do it. Because if you educate somebody, they're going to be able to take that with them for the rest of their lives.
Sure. So
and
you say no, but, right?
Bingo.
But you can do this and that and this, and then you get to the level where you can be there.
The title on the top of the page is the roadmap to success. We give them the individual bullet points on how they have to attack it. Usually it'll take you a little bit of time. So this is something that you have to get prepared for, to really be engaged. And if you've got to cut back here, be able to cut back there. If you've got to go pay something off, take the time to save up and pay that off.
Sure.
But we want you to be able to get into a home, because home ownership's where it's at.
But they don't just go and pay everything off. They should come and meet with you first. You should be able to open it up and show, look, if you do this, you can pick up your credit from here to here.
That's a very good point, Bobby. Yes, don't just go and
go rogue.
Pay everything off. Right.
Don't go rogue.
And if it's beyond our scope, we have a team with both the Trey Group and Cachet that we can refer you over to, that can really delve into some of the really hot and heavy issues. Talk about the divorce stuff. We've got lawyers, credit repairmen, stuff like that can help out on that side.
So if you feel that your credit's a little low, but you still want to be a homeowner, how do they get a hold of the great Cachet Real Estate Finance?
Well, you can call me personally, Trevor Morton, at 210-725-1685, or you can visit us online at www.cachetreef.com.